Hello, my friends. Welcome to Daily Slow English. Today's story is about Amy's grocery shopping day. It is a day full of worry, surprise, and happiness. Together, we will learn daily English and explore daily life in North America. Are you ready? Let's get started.
It is Saturday morning. I sleep in. I wake up at 9 o'clock. My phone rings. It is my mother. She says,
Amy, I will visit you today.
I live alone. I am busy with work and study. I don't always take care of myself. My mom often says,
Eat well, sleep well, stay healthy.
I feel happy, but I also feel worried. I run to the kitchen. I open the fridge. Oh no, the fridge is empty. I must go shopping now. I grab my shopping bag. I run out the door. The sun is shining. I walk fast on the street. Mom is coming soon. I must hurry. I meet my neighbor. He says,
Good morning.
I smile, wave, and keep walking. At the entrance, I take a shopping cart. I push the cart inside. In the fruit section, I see red apples. They look fresh and shiny. I put 4 apples in the cart. I see bananas. I take one bunch. An old lady beside me says,
Bananas are sweet today.
I smile and answer, thank you. In the bakery section, I smell fresh bread. It is warm and soft. There are many kinds of bread: white bread, brown bread, and rolls. I choose one loaf. I put it in the cart with a smile. In the dairy section, I see milk. I take one bottle, but oops, I almost drop it. I catch it just in time. A man nearby laughs.
Haha, good catch.
I also see cheese. I put a big bag of cheese in the cart. Mom loves to make grilled cheese sandwiches. They are simple, delicious, and healthy. In the snack section, I see my favorite cookies. They are on sale today. I pick up one pack. Then I remember my mom's words.
Don't eat too many cookies.
I feel a little sad. I put the cookies back. I push the cart away. I wait in line at the cashier. There is a little boy in front of me. He holds 2 lollipops in his hand. He says,
Mommy, I want 2.
His mom says gently,
Only one, not two.
The boy looks sad, but he puts one lollipop back. I watch them and smile. I remember my own childhood. Then it is my turn at the cashier. I go to the cashier. The cashier says,
Hello.
I say, good morning. The cashier scans the items. I open my bag. Oh no, I left my wallet at home. I feel worried. The cashier says kindly,
Do you have a payment app on your phone?
I smile with relief. Yes, I have my phone. I pay with my phone. I carry my heavy bag. I walk home quickly. I put the food on the table. I look at the clock. Mom will come soon. The doorbell rings. I open the door. It is my mom. She smiles and carries 2 big bags. She puts them on the table. The bags are full of food, vegetables, rice, meat, and fruit. And inside one bag, I see a pack of chocolate cookies. I laugh and say, Mom, you brought cookies. She nods and says,
Yes, but remember, eat less, only sometimes.
I smile. I feel her love. I say softly, Thank you, Mom.
This was today's grocery shopping story. In the story, Amy doesn't like grocery shopping very much, but her mom does. Her mom always puts love into the food she buys. Do you think grocery shopping is fun? I hope you learned some useful English, and also more about daily life in Canada. Thank you for watching. See you next time.